Although testosterone deficiency is most often associated with changes in libido and sexual function, adult-onset human growth hormone deficiency can also negatively affect both male and female sexuality. The Conscious Evolution Institute uses hormone restoration and other guaranteed methods in order to help our patients enhance and sustain a higher level of sexual desire, pleasure, and ability. The body of medical research clearly displays that HGH restoration helps patients struggling with HGH deficiency significantly boost sexual ability. With our help, we can restore your sexual potency and rejuvenate your libido. "83% of patients experienced enhanced sexual satisfaction directly as a result of HGH injection therapy, and 78% of patients achieved faster erections. 72% of patients felt that their sexual desire and libido improved. 67% of patients reported increased sensitivity to sexual activity. 62% of patients experienced erections which lasted longer. 58% of premenopausal female patients experienced fewer hot flashes. 58% of patients reported reduced frequency of nighttime bathroom trips. 39% of female patients experienced more regular menstrual activity. For patients struggling with low growth hormone levels, the benefits of HGH are quite clear. One of the most important things to understand about hormones, including human growth hormone, is that these chemicals are the primary messengers which control the optimal function of your body. Age-related HGH deficiency is a medical condition which affects men and women over the age of 30 all across the world. Human growth hormone levels are at their peak during our adolescence, which helps us grow to our final adult height and helps our bodies reach full development. After our bodies are fully grown, our growth hormone production drops to healthy adult levels, which sustain optimal cellular metabolism. After 30, our bodies start to produce less and less human growth hormone, and our bodies start to suffer as a direct result. Some patients are more sensitive to this change than others, and many actually need HGH treatments to enhance their health and wellness. With our specialized therapeutic protocol, we can help you feel better than you've felt in years or decades, perhaps better than you've ever felt in your life. These changes impact your body as well as your mind, allowing you to feel and act on a renewed sense of sexual vigor. Human growth hormone works at the cellular level to enhance your sexual desire and ability. HGH promotes sexuality by improving the rate and efficiency of protein synthesis, which is how the DNA in our cells manufacture proteins and amino acids which sustain cellular processes. HGH increases nitrogen retention, which promotes increased lean muscle mass, which benefits the structural health of the sexual organs. HGH promotes the healthy production of sexual hormones. It encourages the ovaries and testes to produce healthy and youthful estrogen and testosterone concentrations, respectively. Both hormones are intimately tied to sexual performance and libido. Human growth hormone improves the quality of sexual activity by improving blood flow and optimizing heart function. Increased circulation means more blood reaches the penis, which means firmer, longer erections. It also increases blood flow to the clitoris, meaning that both sexes experience heightened physical sensitivity to sexual activity. HGH also provides other benefits related to sexual activity. Since your body feels younger, your self-perception improves, making you more prone to sexual desire. There is even evidence that HGH restoration can help you have sex more often by shortening the refractory period associated with the male orgasm. Your enhanced vitality brings you back to an early period when you were at your physical and sexual peak. Human growth hormone impacts the health of the nervous system, which has the benefit of improving the sensitivity of your nerves, which boosts the pleasure associated with sexual activity. We understand that not everything about sex is physiological. Many aspects are psychological and depend upon your perception and sense of wellness. In this sense, HGH injections help you feel better about yourself and your body, which makes sex more palatable and enjoyable, and is facilitated through the variety of changes I previously listed. Every system of your body depends upon optimal cellular metabolism, and this is sustained through the activity of the anterior pituitary, which is the natural source of human growth hormone. HGH replacement therapy is a system-wide physiological rejuvenation tool which not also has the capability to greatly enhance your sexual libido, it also can potentially impact every area of your life. In one study, 202 HGH injection patients were observed for sexual benefits and side effects. 172 of these patients were males. 75% of male patients reported that they had sex more often and more satisfactorily. Over 60% of patients claimed that they could stay harder, longer after HGH restoration. It is clear that human growth hormone replacement therapy has a profound impact on the male libido and man's desire to utilize that libido. Human growth hormone, HRT, is a widely prescribed rejuvenative treatment, and most health and wellness physicians that prescribe the treatment find that HGH has the ability to produce astounding benefits with regard to both male and female sexuality. Both sexes experience greater levels of sexual desire, while men are able to engage in sexual activity more often and more readily, to the benefit of both partners. For patients with growth hormone deficiency, HGH injections are a veritable form of sex therapy. There are even benefits to engaging in HGH injection therapy as a couple. According to one prominent health and wellness physician, Dr. Vincent Giampapa, some couples have issues if one member receives therapy while the other forgoes it. In a relationship, equal levels of desire are incredibly important for the health of the relationship, and if one is left wanting, he or she may seek satisfaction elsewhere. Remember, although we are focusing on the sexual benefits of HGH replacement therapy in this video, bioidentical human growth hormone has the ability to promote a more optimized you in all facets of your life, increasing your sense of youthful vigor. The sexual benefits of HGH seem unbelievable, but the proof is in the clinical records. Sexual ability is heavily related to our physical and sexual confidence, and issues related to sexual dysfunction and loss of biological sex drive can quickly eviscerate sexual health. The embarrassment associated with sexual dysfunction can even force a patient to keep his sexual inefficiencies a secret, to the detriment to his or her life satisfaction and inner desire. Passion for life is magnified at the sexual level, but human growth hormone deficiency diminishes quality of life at every level: sexual, physiological, genetic, psychological, and physical. If your libido is waning due to HGH deficiency, think about the other variety of ways that hormone imbalance degrades your life. Viagra and other erectile dysfunction pills may restore your ability to produce an erection, but they do not have the ability to restore your health and treat the underlying effects of hormone deficiency. Thus far, we've focused heavily on the effects of HGH deficiency upon men, but women also suffer heavily as a direct result of low levels of human growth hormone. It's not just libido. Human growth hormone contributes to suppressed estrogen and testosterone levels, both of which are associated with optimized sexual desire and ability in the female body. This hormone imbalance can actually weaken the integrity of the vaginal tissue, as well as reduce the organ's ability to self-lubricate, which detracts from both the comfort and pleasure of sex. These symptoms often discourage women from having sex as often, which further diminishes sexual health. Physician-monitored bioidentical HGH therapy can help women boost their estrogen levels back to a healthy concentration. Improved ability to generate lubrication. Enhanced libido. Increased sexual sensitivity. Balanced DHEA levels, which further promote sexual health. Enhanced ability to achieve multiple orgasms. Like men, women also experience enhanced sexuality and libido because of the psychological and physical changes associated with therapy. Improved metabolism, healthier skin, and improved tone help women feel more sexually desirable, and improved hormone balance limits the impact of depression and mood instability on sexual desire and performance. At any age, feeling and looking one's best puts them in the best position for positive lovemaking experiences. Increased sexual activity and satisfaction also has a restorative effect upon endocrine and neurological health, enhancing the health of the neuroendocrine axis and the pituitary gland. In addition to all these other physical and sexual benefits, HGH injection therapy for women also has the ability to mitigate the negative experiences associated with postmenopause and menopause. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video series discussing how to bring your libido back through HGH HRT.